We are here with Andrew Moran. He started at Nexa Mortgage, what, just a few months ago, Andrew?
2.5 months ago.
Well, welcome aboard. So I trust you've made some money so far here?
Yes, I have actually.
Good. Good. Andrew is doing a really, really great job here. Quick question for you, Andrew, is give people that are watching this, that are on the fence about joining maybe the broker model of Nexa specifically, how's it been for you? What's the best thing so far that's happened for you here, and kind of how's it going?
Well, thank you for having me. I mean, honestly, other than the competitive comp plan and just having competitive rates, just wanted to share a quick story that just recently happened. As we all know, the market shifted not so long ago, about a week and a half ago. And I was actually, through underwriting with the current lender with my client, and this is for a purchase. And we were literally locked in about 7.625. And so we saw that the market shifted for the better. And, I actually was able to go back to the lender and ask, hey, I'm sure you've seen that the market has changed. Is there anything that we can do with it for our client? And unfortunately, they couldn't, which I totally understand, because we were locked in, we were committed, which I get that. But I have to do what's right for my client. And so, I just had the ability to look elsewhere in that current pricing. And I was able to get them from a 7.625 to a 6.75. And we're about to close this thing. I burned about a week and a half in a 30-day window to close. And so when I took it from one lender and switched it to another, I was a little nervous, but the ability to have full control and the speed on this side, not only was I able to give them a better rate, I'm still about a week and a half early.
Wow, I was going to ask you if you closed on time. You're still a week and a half early on clear. Wow.
Yep. So we're supposed to close on the 28th, and I already got almost clear to close.
That's unreal. So another this is a thing people who lose track or don't see when they come on board or don't think about, but because we have so many options, right? Normally when you're in retail, you're locked in, that's it. We are potentially approaching a market where rates are going to start going down like that. I assume you were able to pull that appraisal to the new lender, no problem.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. So great story, Andrew. And by the way, you've been killing it here. Many have, and you're certainly not an exception in that realm. So thanks for this quick tutorial and talking about Nexa Mortgage, man. I appreciate it, brother.
Absolutely, man. Thank you for having me.